Parcels have arrived from TikTok shop. I've got lights, and I've got filters, and I've got a mic and a tripod. Here are the lights on white. Maybe too bright, I'll turn them down. And we've got up, down. Oh, that's quite nice. Checking video sound. This is the mic speaking. We're going to be testing out the lights. And here's Barbie for skin tone. And the cashew milk, because why not? So they come with lots of different colours and this really lightweight stand. All the filters come with a sealy thingamajig. I don't know what you call this. Anyway, it's like a film on it, and you have to peel that off first. Ooh, quite satisfying. And there we are. I think there's some stuff that's all stuck to it. Oh, it's one on each side. I didn't even know that. Yeah, so now it's ready to be put in. So all you do is you try and line it up with your left hand, because your right hand will probably be filming it. Well, hopefully not. Anyway, kind of slides in. Let's try the white first to see what it looks like. That's on its fullest setting. We'll turn it down. That's quite nice, quite a nice daylight look. And that's off. When it's off, it will glow, so you can see it if you're filming in the dark, although I'm not sure why you'd want to be filming in the dark, but anyway. So that's the white setting. Here's the pink. Turn it down. It's quite nice. To take the filter out, just push in and it pops up like this, but not with one hand. Here's the green one. That's on full. That's on the lowest setting. Here's the yellow one. That's on its highest setting, and that's on the lowest setting. Here's the purple one. That's on its highest setting, and that's on the lowest setting. I'm going to call this charcoal grey because it's not really black. Here we are. This is at the brightest setting. I quite like this one, and this is it on the lowest setting, and that is off. I just thought I'd show you how dark this really is, and that's how dark it is in natural light. Here's the blue light. This is the full volume. What am I talking about? This is the full light. That's it on its lowest setting, and that's on. A little tip when you first get them, sometimes the label just comes off on its own. So if you hold and press it down, make sure that it sticks to this whatever plastic layer that's covering it for protection, then it should peel off straight away. Here's the red one. Okay, so that's on its lowest setting. Ooh. And that's the red light off. This is the orange one. That's on the lowest setting. And that's on its highest setting. And that's off. And this is without any filters at all. That's really high. And that's really low. And that's off. So in conclusion, I really like this set. I think the money is really good. I have to say, It comes with 2 lights or 3 lights, and that means 3 stands and 3 sets of these, but I chose the 2. This is so lightweight. The light itself comes with a USB port, but doesn't come with a plug, but most people have plugs now. And it comes with a reasonably long lead. I really like this mic. It's the mic I'm using. It comes with a fluffy thing for the wind if you're filming outside. It comes with a USB port to charge it, and it comes with that thing that's actually on my phone now. I will say, if you have a heavy duty cover, if you like to throw your phone around like I do, then you will have to take the case off, because it will not fit in your phone otherwise. I want to talk about the selfie stick. It's kind of like a tripod as well, but it is really easy to use, really easy to connect to your phone. It comes with this little thing here which sits in there. It goes really long. It's the stick that keeps on going. Woo! Like a rocket. Oh, sorry. I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about really, but look, it's very long, okay? So, yeah, get someone in front of you. You can either film them by putting it over their head, or you can just whack them out of the way with it. It also folds up really nicely as well. I would say overall, this is a really good package to start your adventures on TikTok. But what would I know? It is my first and only package of unboxing video equipment. I'm happy with it, and I hope you will be too. See you next time.